Okay, this is for a wrap up for March the 17th after a rather big, busy week here. We poured 22 cubic meters of concrete yesterday, and just a little bit left to do now for sidewalks, but basically the house was done. Now we're keeping the slab now, and this is not just a regular floating slab that many houses have. This is a structural floor, so it has beams built into the floor. You can see there's how thick the beams are, the network of beams tying all this together and tying it to the pool. So this is all one unit. Well, and the retaining walls, it actually makes a big circle with the retaining wall over there once the sidewalk is done to tie that all in together. And this is an outdoor shower here that we're putting in. A lot of people like those. Now we got basically the stairs down to the office and mechanical room is all complete, and most of the stucco is done down here, so covering up any of the sins of the concrete work, as well as all of the walls are all the concrete walls are stuccoed in with a uniform coat. Anyways, and this sidewall going up. And anything else of, so yeah, we got the side, anything that's outside the house walls is sidewalks are not done. So this gives, of course, we're keeping it wet because the longer you keep concrete wet, the harder it gets, and it continues to cure if it's stayed in a relative state of moisture. So here's the elevated garden. You can see the stucco work completed down there. This is our side yard, our garden. This is a base for an air conditioning unit. And what I was referring to was this. Going to be like a ramp here that's tying the front sidewalk to the house, and this to the retaining wall, so that all creates one universal unit all around the house. So it's not going anywhere, to put it mildly. So with that, we shall sign off. Maybe before I sign off, yeah, this is the retaining wall. This was not in the original plan at all, but became rather necessary to not fall off the edge of the terrace. You can imagine the front of that was down. That front there was over 4 feet of fill that went in there. So it would have been rather ugly, I guess would be one way of saying, or certainly hazardous if you fall off the pool terrace into the garden way down below. But anyways, so that's what. So our season has started changing. It's just we're getting our shower every about second day right now. But well, and you see, we put that tarp is on up there as we always do, because during the day you do not want the sun toasting your concrete. And then if it starts raining late in the day or any time in the day and you've got fresh concrete out there, it's destruction, complete destruction. And this is a well-polished floor, so it's ready for a concrete finish when the house is all complete. But anyways, with that, we will sign off now.